Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries, faculty members, non-teaching staff, and my fellow aviators of the future. Welcome to the 8th graduation day of the Department of Aeronautical Engineering, a day we have all been waiting for, with anticipation, excitement, and dare I say, a touch of nervous energy. I'm your host Chinmayi, and joining me to add even more sparkle to this event is my fabulous co-anchor Asta.
Thank you, Chinmayi. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is not just a celebration of academic achievements. It's a tribute to dreams that have taken flight, much like the planes and rockets our graduates dream to design and build. So buckle up, because this journey is going to be as thrilling as a supersonic flight.
To kickstart this high-flying day, let's bring in the divine vibes with an invocation song to bless our graduates and the ceremony ahead. Please welcome Ms. Shreya and Ms. Mahalakshmi Dodmani to take the center stage.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलाक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परिपात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणाधीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेश धीमहि
Thank you.
Thank you for that melodious and soul-touching start.
And now, to officially welcome everyone, let's hear from Professor Parmeshwar Bankar, Head of the Department.
Very good afternoon to everyone. Namaskara. Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Varun Galgali, Senior Program Manager, Boeing Research and Technology, Dean Student Affairs, Professor S.P. Deshpande sir, my dear parents, colleagues, and my dear students. It's my immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 8th graduation day of KLS GIT Belagavi and 4th graduation day of Department of Aeronautical Engineering. First and foremost, I extend a special welcome to our today's chief guest, Varun Galgali, who is proud alumnus of KLS GIT. Your presence honors us. Welcome, sir. I also welcome our Dean Student Affairs, S.P. Deshpande sir. He is the one who will be looking after all the issues of students and who will be resolving all those things. Welcome, sir. coming to parents, first of all, I would like to congratulate each and every parent over here, because today your dream is coming true. That is, your kids are getting converted into graduates. So congratulations to all parents. And your the effort, investment, whatever you have done, and your sacrifice, now that is giving the fruits which are present in front of you. So I welcome you all. And coming to my colleagues who have put so much of effort shaping these children into graduates, I welcome all my teaching and non-teaching staff. Then coming to my young graduates, so there are a few suggestions before welcoming you. So this is a daily routine, so I will add some more to it. Okay. So first thing is, now you have already graduated and some of you are working in different sectors, as well as some of them are trying for masters and all, right? So everybody knows about the king's kingdom and dynasties, so many, so much, right? In kings, under king there will be a ministry, right? One will be heading, like, who will be a prime minister, a pradhan mantri, then there will be a senadipati who will be looking after the war and all, and there are soldiers. And their roles are well defined and they are trained for it. So similarly, now you are into your job roles, maybe because of some of them might have got their own job roles which they wanted, some they may not. But here there is a catch. Even though you have not received your job role which you don't, which you wanted, don't worry, there is a scope for upgradation. Okay, so you upgrade your skills, upgrade your knowledge, and jump into whatever you want. And some of them don't want to become senadipati or soldier, they want to become a king. So there is a the room also to become a king. So you can start your own startup and you can become good entrepreneur. That is also is there. So look after your skills, your ability, and you shift slowly from your existing position to next position. Today our chief guest who is present here, he has done very well in his job role. He has started from mechanical engineering and now he is doing MBA in France. Okay, so that is there. And finally, I welcome my graduate students to this great day. So welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. We couldn't have asked for a better welcome.
Every great journey needs guidance. And today, we are privileged to have with us someone whose career truly soars above the clouds. I request Ms. Radhika Gurlosur to introduce our chief guest.
Good afternoon, everyone. A proud alumnus of KLS Gogte Institute of Technology, Varun Anand Galgali, graduated in mechanical engineering and has since charted an inspiring career path in the aerospace and aviation industries. Hailing from Belgaum, he has over 8 years of experience in the aerospace manufacturing ecosystem, starting from a 2-tier manufacturer in Belgaum to a Tier 1 organization and now an OEM aircraft manufacturer. He stepped into the aerospace industry with a Tier 2 supplier, Akers Aerospace in Belgaum, where he honed his skills in manufacturing precision components and assemblies. Building on his experience, Varun joined TE Connectivity, a prominent Tier 1 supplier, where he ascended to become the youngest supplier program manager to achieve Boeing's prestigious gold supplier status in the subcontinent. His leadership ensured the on-time development and delivery of over 600 major aerospace parts and assemblies. Currently, Varun is a senior program manager with Boeing, one of the world's leading aerospace OEMs. Over the years, he has played a pivotal role in strengthening Boeing's supply chain in India, localizing critical components and delivering continuous improvement across key projects. One of Varun's most remarkable achievement has been his contribution to Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, where he led crucial activities in setting up Boeing's largest office outside the United States that was inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi this year. He is also pursuing an MBA in Aerospace and Aviation Management from IIM Bangalore and Toulouse Business School, France. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Radhika, for that insightful introduction.
Now, let us give a warm floral welcome to our dignitaries, a gesture as beautiful and refreshing as the dreams our graduates harbor. I request our HOD, Professor Parmeshwar Bankar, to present a bouquet to the chief guest. Thank you, sir. A flame represents enlightenment, knowledge, and hope. Let's illuminate this special day by inviting our dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp.
I request few of the graduates to join.
Thank you all the dignitaries for lighting the way, quite literally.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the next moment we have been waiting for. The keynote address, This is the Fuel to Our Aspirations, delivered by none other than Shri Varun Galgali, Senior Program Manager at Boeing Research and Technology. Sir, the stage is all yours.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty, proud parents, and bright young minds of KLS GIT. This is your Captain Varun speaking. Welcome aboard Flight Aero 2024. Departing from KLS GIT with the destination towards limitless opportunities and skies of success. Before we taxi down the runway of celebration, let me take you back to my own journey. A story that began with a young boy who couldn't take his eyes off the sky every time an aircraft roared across the skies, dreaming of nothing else but a life surrounded by aircrafts. My family, especially my grandfather, became my ground crew, fueling my passion with the models of aircrafts with a lot of aviation books, with constant encouragement. Little did they know that this support was laying the foundation for my flight into the aerospace industry. KLS GIT became the runway where my dreams began to gather speed. And as I look back, I see how pivotal my professors and my family were in this journey. Let me draw a parallel to aviation with respect to where you all are right now. If you see even the largest aircraft, the biggest aircraft, the most powerful aircraft, let's say the A380, needs a tug to get on the runway. It can't do it on its own. That's exactly what your family and your professors have done for you so far. So be extremely thankful and be very proud that you've had that support and that mentorship from them. One of those pushbacks for me especially was Dr. M.S. Patil. Patil sir was my mentor when I was doing my undergrad research, and he taught me a very important lesson. He taught to me, which I follow till date. He said, no matter what, show up. Show up every day, show up consistently. There are going to be hard days, there are going to be classrooms which you don't like, there are going to be roles that you take up that you don't like, there are going to be projects that you do that you may not want to do as much as you want to do something else. But during those times is when you show up and you make sure you increase your surface area for success. That is something that I follow of Patil sir till date. Life is full of headwinds, as they say in aerospace, but showing up and staying committed is the way that I have led my life, and I hope that all of you do the same as well. Graduates, you're entering an extraordinary era where India is at the cusp of becoming one of the largest aviation markets in the world. The aerospace industry is growing at double digits. The opportunities before us are limitless. Every aircraft part that is manufactured, every innovation achieved, every milestone reached is a step towards making history. And here's the best part. In years to come, when people talk about India and its ecosystem of aerospace and aviation, they're going to talk about you as well, because you are an integral part to making sure that the dream is sustained and achieved very quickly. You'll be one of those designing those systems, engineering those novel solutions, and building planes and pushing boundaries of what's possible. So I'm very glad you're being a part of my extended family, not just GIT, but the aerospace ecosystem as well. So welcome. Keep in mind, success isn't just about flying high as the aircrafts do. It's about staying grounded as well. Teamwork in aviation is key to success. The aviation industry, much like life, is a collaborative journey. Pilots trust the engineers trust the ground technicians, and so on and so forth. The chain is very vital. Your success will depend not just upon what you put in terms of efforts of engineering, but also work with others and contribute to something bigger than yourself. Here are 3 things that I've consistently followed in my life, which has got me closer and closer to where I am today. Consistency is your superpower. Show up every day no matter the turbulence, and you'll get there eventually. Dream big, but stay grounded. Make sure that you're connected to your roots, your values, your relationship, each of the friendships that you've formed here, the equations that you've had with your professors, make sure that you continue it for the rest of your life. That will give you great strength to soar higher than you've ever dreamt of. Cherish your pushback vehicles. Remember those tugs that I spoke of, which put a very big, mean, powerful aircraft back on the runway? Those are the people who you see around you today, who you see around you for the last 4 years. Remember each of those moments and make sure that you're well connected with them. They've set you on the path of the runway, and their wisdom will continue to guide you in the years to come. Graduates, like I said, you're just not passengers of the flight Aero 2024, which is taking off from GIT. You're the pilots charting the course for India's aerospace future. The runway is clear. The skies are waiting. Fasten your seatbelts, get ready to take off into the future of aviation, into the future of innovation, growth, and limitless possibilities. Congratulations, and welcome to aerospace.
Thank you for those enlightening and truly motivating words, sir. Your insight have surely ignited our spirits.
And what's an event without a token of appreciation? Up next, I request Professor S.P. Deshpande, Dean Student Affairs, to present the memento to our esteemed chief guest. Thank you, sir, for accepting this small gesture of our gratitude.
Now, to bring a personal touch to this event, let's hear from our very own Professor S.P. Deshpande, Dean Student Affairs, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Varun, our own student, Professor Bankar, my faculty colleagues, dear students and their proud parents. Welcome to everyone. First of all, let me congratulate each and every one of you. Everyone, those who are sitting here, those who are going to get their appreciations letter, and they are eager to do that. So, without taking much time of you, I would like to congratulate each one of you and wish you all the best for your futures, because already the runway is under fire set up by Mr. Varun. So you are eager to move on that. Okay. So wish you all the best. Congratulations everyone. And of course to the proud parents who have invested so many things into you. Don't forget them. Okay. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you for those encouraging words, sir.
Moving forward, let's dive into the heart of the department with the department report presented by Mr. Anand Joshi. This is where the numbers, achievements, and stories come alive.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my pleasure to present our annual aeronautical engineering department annual report for the year 2023-2024. Today we are here to reflect on the achievements, challenges and milestones of the past year and to share our vision for the future. This is not a report just about numbers, it's about people, the progress and the potential we have unlocked together. For the first time, our students Chinmayi, Astha, Aital and Mallikarjun, under the mentorship of Dr. L. Chikmat, participated in and presented their research at the International Conference on Sustainable Materials held at IIT Madras in February 2024. This prestigious event saw participation from over 14 countries and among 140 submissions. Only 2 undergraduate papers were selected for our presentation, with ours being one of them. This work was subsequently published in the Springer International publication. Another team of students, Madhusri, Saujanya, Rahil and Nidhi, mentored by Mr. Siddhant and Dr. L. Chikmat, presented the research at International Conference on Shock Waves at IIT Madras in September 2024, with participations from over 19 countries. Their work received high praise from organizers and is soon to be published in the Springer International publication. Final year students Neha, Kirti, Durga and Sumit, guided by Professor Ishwar Gowda Patil, had their research on advanced materials selected for presentation at the international conference at Kalasalingam University in December 2024, this month. Shreya Nayak, Harihar, guided by Professor Mukta Makdum, presented their work at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited on the occasion of Engineers Day. Adil Gove, a South Zonal national football player, has represented V2 in numerous tournaments. He is a 3-time winner of interzonal V2 tournament and the champion of the prestigious KLS IMER trophy. Karthik M was selected as NSS unit captain and represented NAS South Zonal pre-Republic Day camp. He also secured first place in the science fair at the Belgavi district youth festival and was selected for the state level competition. Miss Krizana Irani, a national level gold medalist in swimming, participated in the VTU state level swimming championship, securing 5 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze medal across various events. She has also been selected for the University Blues. Devashish Anand Joshi, myself, showcased their talent at UAV Groove National Level Competition held at Jain University, Bangalore in November 2024. They won first and second place in the multi-rotor and fixed wing categories respectively. Thank you. The department had the privilege of hosting Padma Shri Dr. B. Dattaguru, who interacted with students, sharing his career insights and motivating them to excel in professional journeys. Mr. Ramnath, a senior researcher from IIT Madras, addressed the students, emphasizing the importance of pursuing higher education. Astha Aital Srijot participated in Nukkad Natak competitions across various national level fests, including Waves, NIT Suratkal, Symbiosis Pune, winning accolades for their outstanding performances. Neha Sanadi secured third place in solo singing competition at Waves and NIT Suratkal. Lavanya clinched the gold medal at the Indo-Sri Lanka Open Karate Championship, showcasing her exceptional skills. The IEEE AESS student chapter of the Aeronautical Department organized a series of impactful events, including industrial visits to Aequs Aerospace, Saras Aerospace and the Belagavi Airport, offering students first-hand insights into aerospace operations. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand, for showcasing how our department has truly soared to new heights.
And now, let's turn the spotlight to the real stars of the day, our graduates. It's time to hear firsthand the unforgettable experience. Please come forward to share your thoughts and experiences.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव. Namaskara ellarige. If that's correct, I'm sorry. I'm still learning Kannada. Good afternoon, everyone. Esteemed guests for today's occasion, respected professors, beloved family and friends, and very, very proud parents. Today, as I stand here, I'm filled with gratitude, pride, and a tinge of nostalgia. It feels surreal to celebrate not just the culmination of our academic journey, but also the takeoff into an exciting new phase of life. From the moment I first saw an aircraft defy gravity and soar into the endless skies, I knew this was where my heart belonged. Aeronautics isn't just science and engineering, it's a passion, a relentless pursuit to master the skies, to challenge the impossible, and to innovate for a better future. Aeronautical department is not just a department, it's a brand in itself, right? So whenever someone asks you which educational background do you belong to, and when you tell it's aeronautics, the person will reply, oh wow, my fellow graduates will definitely agree to that. Before I go any further, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to our professors. Thank you for sharing your knowledge, patience, and encouragement that has shaped us into the engineers we are today. The professors that I have had through my entire engineering life were not just the professors, or they were not only supportive academically, but they also were a really good human beings. When I faced personal challenges, they always understood and considered them. I'm forever grateful. To our family and friends, proud parents, your unwavering support has been an anchor through this challenging yet rewarding journey. And to my peers, thank you for being part of this unforgettable chapter of my life through all the turbulence and triumphs. This journey, though thrilling, hasn't been without turbulence. Today, I actually especially want to speak about something that nobody talks about. I see a lot of juniors here. So this has come through my personal experience, you can say. I was a very average student with a CGPA of 7.85. I'm sorry. So at this stage of your life, you will face some of weird things. People encouraging you not to take you in certain project groups, or excluding you from certain academic conversations. But you don't have to lose hope. It's not just about that. Grades are just on paper. Remember, being a good human being, being consistent, and being very disciplined to your goals will get you everything. And having said that, I feel delighted to share that I have earned a role as an aircraft performance engineer at SpiceJet Limited. When you work hard and when you move with pure intentions, nobody can let you down. No one can let you down. Remember, it is definitely an achievement because I, being the trainee performance engineer, had the privilege of attending a conference at Boeing India Limited in Gurgaon. Recently, that too, representing our airline at Boeing alongside our assistant manager, a moment that filled me with an immense pride. Until then, I had just only heard and read about this regulatories that DGCA, FAA, ITA, ICAO, just in books or in videos. But on that day, I got to interact with the people behind the scenes working tirelessly behind these regulatories. On that day, I understood and I experienced how these regulatories come together internationally and nationally to solve global issues. Every one of us are special in one or the other way. We are no one to underestimate someone's capabilities. So to those of you who have faced similar challenges like me, remember this. Life's greatest turbulence often leads to the smoothest skies. Don't let negativity clip your wings. Instead, let it fuel your resolve to soar even higher. While at work, I experienced that we prepare takeoff analysis charts. We do it with tailwinds as well as headwinds too. So you don't soar with only tailwinds. Headwinds are equally part of the journey, both in aviation and in life. Each day I remind myself that behind every aircraft I help optimize are countless lives depending on its performance and safety. The weight of these responsibilities fuel my passion and keeps me grounded even as my work keeps me connected to the skies. We are graduates who know how to think beyond limits, to design, build, and dream of a future that soars higher. To my fellow graduates, congratulations. We are no longer just students. We are the architects of tomorrow's aviation, space exploration, and technological breakthroughs. Scope hai bhai, scope hai. Remember, every time we see an aircraft take off, it is a testament to what we can achieve when passion meets purpose. Let's continue to challenge gravity, not just in engineering, but in every aspects of our lives. As we leave this hall today, let's promise to keep pursuing boundaries, to be kind in the face of conflict, and to let our passion for flight guide us to even greater heights. Here is to clear skies, smooth runways, and infinite possibilities. Congratulations, Batch 2024. We did it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashusha, for sharing your experience.
Good afternoon, respected honorable guest, HOD, Dean, and all the successful parents, I would like to say, without mentioning the word proud. Because ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. And after parents comes the faculties. Because the maximum time we spend is with our faculties, other than our parents. And they have been a very great inspiration to every one of us. Maybe we don't consider it in the beginning, but once we complete our engineering, we get to know the importance of those faculties and their words that they mention in the classes. Because the journey of life is very difficult, and you only get to know that journey once you are in the track. When you're watching the game, it is very easy to say that bhai Kohli अच्छे से नहीं खेल रहा है. But when you're playing on the ground, there is a huge difference that makes. And once you get into the ground, you get to know how important your parents, your faculties, and their words were. I keep my interest in writing poems, so I would like to start this journey of my experience with a short poem that I have written. This is for every student who is sitting here. Maybe you are successful or not successful. Maybe you have achieved your goals or not achieved. Maybe you are dreaming of something, you have already achieved your dreams. This is for everybody, so please pay attention. सूरज ना जले तो धरती क्या चीज़ है, चांद ना ढले तो सुबह क्या चीज़ है. तुम तो जल कर ढल कर पिघल कर भी डटे हो. तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ने चला है ये ज़माना क्या चीज़ है. तुम पानी से क्यों डरते हो खुद समंदर होकर. तुम रात से क्यों डरते हो खुद चांद जैसे मुस्कुराकर. तुम बातों की वो लफ्ज़ हो जो कहीं सीने में छुपे हो. तुम उस लफ्ज़ के वो जज्बात हो जो किसी के भी सामने ना झुके हो. तुम आंधी हो, तुम तूफान हो, हवा से क्या ही डरते हो. तुम आसमान और चट्टान हो, बारिश से क्यों घबराते हो. तुम हो तो ही सब है, तुम ना हो तो कोई नहीं. तुम हो तो ही सब है, तुम ना हो तो कोई नहीं. तुमको ना कहकर जो जाएगा खोया उसने तुमको, तुमने तो कुछ भी नहीं खोया. जो तुमको ना कहकर जाएगा खोया उसने तुमको, तुम तो कुछ भी खोए नहीं. तुम तो बिन मुस्कुराहट के भी चमकती खुशी हो. तुम बिन पिंजरे के आज़ाद पंछी हो. तुम बस नाम के लिए इंजीनियर नहीं, तुम खुद तुम्हारी शक्ति हो. तुम जब सब कुछ खो दोगे, तुम सब अकेले रो दोगे, तो याद करना सूरज ना जले तो धरती क्या चीज़ है, चांद ना ढले तो सुबह क्या चीज़ है. तुम तो जल कर ढल कर पिघल कर भी डटे हो. तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ने चला ये ज़माना क्या चीज़ है. Now getting on to my experience, the 4 years of my experience, as sir said, it was nothing less than a flight, because the flight has everything in it. It has many turbulences, it has many disturbances while in flight. It has many obstacles that come ahead, but the engineer's thought is to overcome every obstacle that he encounters every day. There cannot be a single day where all the problems of the world have been solved. Every day there is a new problem that comes up. With every new solution, I believe that there is a problem coming up. So there is no end to your engineering minds, because you get to innovate every day, every second, every minute, every second. So I believe that innovation has no end. So my experience started as a young mind who had a passion towards aircrafts, who joined aerospace engineering after he had many obstacles from everybody around him who told him that aeronautical, ये तो कभी सुना नहीं है, this is something new. इसमें जाके क्या करोगे, ಮುಂದೇನು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ. ಸೊ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಐ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್ಡ್ ಮೈ ಜರ್ನಿ in this department by understanding the fundamentals. Once you discover the fundamentals of things, the things become interesting. So I tell you that once you get a try to discover the fundamental of that problem. So you get inspiration to solve that problem. That is how my journey started. And then I discovered my capabilities in the cultural terms. And I would like to mention that I was your General Secretary last year. And I'm very proud to say that I've served for the post of General Secretary, being from Aeronautical Department. And I was told that I was the first General Secretary from this department, and that makes me very proud. I would like to mention a few people here, and those whose names I don't mention are always in my heart. So the first thing I have to mention is my mother. She was my inspiration from day one, because she's the reason I'm here today, and she's the reason every junior of mine, every friend of mine, every other parent of my fellow graduates come and tell me that you're really doing great. So I would like to thank her. She's in the crowd, so a big round of applause from my side. And the second thing are the faculties. Taking into consideration from SP Deshpande sir, who was the Dean Student Affairs, he was there with us in every moment. All the fests we have participated, every permission we have taken. We got knows if we get everywhere in the college, at the end we had one hope, was SPD sir. We would go to him, ask him for that thing, and he would be like, okay, do it. So that has guided us a lot, and thank you so much for that, sir. Talking about the head of the department, Parmeshwar sir. Sir became the head of the department when we were almost completing our third year. So we didn't get much time to explore sir's vision towards the department. But in that very little time, sir has proved that he has a very big vision towards the department. After T.R. Anil sir had a very big vision, and I have seen it in him. And I feel that the juniors who are yet to graduate are very lucky to have him as your head of the department. And then talking about the faculties, I miss one person here today with us, that is Anil Kumar Nakala sir. He was a very close and very dear faculty to me, because he was my guide in the final year project, and we have attended many events with him. So thank you from my end to this wonderful man. And talking about all the faculties, everybody has supported us. Dharmendra sir, Chikmat sir, Ishwar Gowda sir, and everybody who are in the department are wonderful faculties. So thank you every one of you. One more special mention to all the attenders of the department, because if you are not there, the department wouldn't work. You are like the backbone of the department. Every time some class is making noise and the faculty is not in the class, it is the attender who comes and looks after it and goes to the faculty and tells that the class is making noise. And every time we went to take our hall tickets, we went to take our marks cards, we went to take our food coupons even today, it was the attenders who were working towards it. So I am really thankful for everybody in the department. My end note will be for all the fellow graduates. I measure success in a very different term compared to everybody around me. For me, success is the day when you're satisfied with whatever you have, whatever you earn. And I believe that you shouldn't get satisfaction easily. Anybody who is satisfied is not successful. So I contradict my own statement. For me, success is satisfaction, but anybody who is satisfied will never be successful. Because once you're satisfied, that is the end of the journey. But once you're never satisfied, you strive towards more. सो अगर जिसका भी प्लेसमेंट हुआ है तुम एक काम सीख रहे हो, जिसका नहीं हुआ है सोचो तुम क्या क्या सीख सकते हो. सो दैट इज हाउ आई टेक एन अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स लाइफ. सो एवरी फेलियर आई गेट is every success I count down. So every failure I get, I try to turn it into a greater success. So that is a note I would like to put forward to everybody who is here. Never be demotivated in your life. And one more special word that I always tell to my juniors, being general secretary, I addressed a huge crowd and I always tell them is one word कि दो चीजें जिंदगी में कभी मत भूलना, कि तुम क्यों आए और कैसे आए. Two things will always motivate you. तुम इधर कुछ करने आए हो तो करके ही जाओ. तुम इधर देख के आए हो. You have come here after seeing so many problems. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬಂದಿರ್ತೀರಾ. Even if your family is well to do, even if you are rich enough, the problems have been seen by your parents. Just talk to them once. There is no family that has no problem. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮನೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. That is what I believe. Even Mukesh Ambani has his own problems. But never forget that where you come, why you come, and how you come. These two things are very important. So by saying that, this is your General Secretary for one last time, 2GI20 AE040, signing off. Thank you one and all.
Wow, those were heartfelt words. Thank you for sharing your incredible journey.
Success always leaves footprints, and today we celebrate excellence of our toppers. These shining stars have truly set the bar high, and we couldn't be prouder. May I request our dignitaries to felicitate the toppers.
Sorry for interrupting in between. Since my former, who's that, General Secretary, right? He reminded me about two things, so I wanted to share, because I will not get you guys like this again, right? Well, two advice I will give, just bear with me. And he said like, ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, that is one thing. Because there are only two people will be there, whatever may be the tough time, whatever may be situation will be there, they will come in front, they are nothing but your parents. So never be angry towards your parents, don't show your arrogance to them, right? And don't betray them, and always be with them. You don't believe our today's chief guest who is sitting here, even though he is staying in Bangalore, and weekly he will come to Belagavi. Why? He wants to meet his parents. Right? So that is the one thing. And the second advice among our young graduates is, please help among yourself. Okay, after going from here, you be connected with each other. Don't get disconnected. Somebody may be getting some good job in some place, some may be trying for a good opportunity. Please help them and try to help each other. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of kindness. I would like to request our dignitaries to felicitate the toppers. Beginning with first year, first rank Om Chetan Hiremat. Second rank Sagar Tadsalur.
Coming to second year, first rank Bhavna Dhanpal. Second rank Renuka Teli. Third rank Shilpa Anantapur.
Coming to the third year, first rank Aital Moidul Islam Sheikh. Second rank Nidhi Nilesh Murkute. Third rank Madhushri M. Patil.
I request the audience to put a round of applause for the toppers. Now the fourth year, first rank Omkar Lal Singh Bilawar. Second rank Kunal Shailesh Raikar. Third rank, Rohit Raju Patil.
A big congratulations to all the toppers.
Every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. And now, the moment that's been 4 years in making, the presentation of degree certificates. Let's cheer for our achievers as they step forward to receive what they have worked so hard for. May I request our dignitaries to kindly do the honors?
Starting with Abhay More. I would like to request the audience to please applaud. Abhiraj B. Patil. Abhishek. Anushka Parshuram Sutar. Asusha Suraj Arolkar. Bibi Aisha Patel. Chitralika Sharma. Gauri Subhash Murkute. Hulvani Chinmay Basavraj. Kunal Shailesh Raikar. He has also secured the second rank. M. Gauri. Agsar. Netra Arjun Tallur. Omkar L. Bilawar. He has also secured the first rank. Omkar Sant. Pooja GT. Pranjal Saxena. Prasad Sadashiv Gurav. Praveen Balapadu. Radhika Ashok Vajramati. Rishabh Rajendra Revankar. I would like to request Dr. L. Chikmat to join the dignitaries on the dais.
Rasika Jadhav. Sanya Maruti Patil. संकेत प्रमोद मुचंदीकर. संतोष मोहन चरणकर. Raj Agasagi. Shreyash Maruti Maragli. Sonali Mirashi, she has also secured the third place. Saujanya. Srujan Rajendra Nired. Srishti Tiwari. Sumit Sunil Naik. He also led an outstanding leadership as General Secretary 23-24. Well-deserved recognition for his efforts and success in major events. Varun Chowgle. Vidyaranya Shivanand Jamgi. Vijay Kumar Vandalmat. Vaskar Maithili Uday. Rohit Raju Patil. Gautam Rutkute. Kumar Sunil Avareddy. Yogesh Patil. Appasaheb Desai. Ritesh Kalwar. A very big congratulations to each and every one of you.
Thank you to all the dignitaries. To bring this incredible journey to a close, let us now invite Dr. L. Chikmat to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my honor to privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion of our department's graduation day. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Shri Varun Galgali, for gracing this occasion with his presence and for inspiring words that have motivated not just our graduates but all of us. Your valuable insights will serve as a guiding light for their future endeavors, sir. To our faculty members, thank you for your relentless dedication, patience, and commitment to shaping these young minds. Your role in nurturing their talents and guiding them through challenges has been invaluable. To the proud parents, today is as much as your celebration as it is ours. Your unwavering support, sacrifices, and encouragement have laid the foundation for this achievement. Thank you for believing in your children and standing by them in every step of their way. To the graduates, congratulations on this incredible milestone. Today is a testament to your hard work, perseverance, and determination. You have not only made us proud but also set an example for your future batches. As you step into the next chapter, you may continue to chase your dreams with a passion and integrity. A big thank to the organizing committee, KLS management, and volunteers who work tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event a grand success. Your efforts have ensured that every detail of today's celebration reflects the spirit of excellence and joy. Lastly, a warm thanks to everyone present here, our alumni, our well-wishers, and friends for joining us and making this day even more special. As we conclude, let us take this as the memories, lessons, and bonds that have made this journey extraordinary. May the path ahead be filled with success, happiness, and purpose. Thank you all once again, and I wish you a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, sir, for those heartfelt words.
As we near to the conclusion of this event, let's unite one last time as we sing the national anthem, marking the pride of being a part of this great nation.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Thank you, everyone.
I would request everyone to stay back for a photo session. But before we take off for the group photo session, I would like to add something. Remember, graduates, you were born to fly. Your wings already exist. All you have to do is take off. Congratulations once again. This is Astha.
This is Chinmayi signing off until next time. Keep soaring high.
I would like to request all our graduates to assemble near the library for the photo session.